I haven't did a pour in a very long time. So I am going to be doing a pour today. I will be using some colors that I've never combined together before. So we'll see how it's going to turn out. I did try it in a little version, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've been working on some little small projects, but I have been working on a very big project that I did not finish, and I've been having a little bit of trouble with it, so I'm trying to fix it. Let me show you. Here it is. So I actually painted this purple up under here, purple. But before I did that, I put the paint skins there. As you can see the outline where I took the paint skins off. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to cover that edge so it does not look like I just took something off of it. I went back over it in gray. I felt that that was a good color to combine with this. This is going to be a gift, so that person likes gray, so I thought it would be a good color to combine. However, the gray did not cover that purple very well, so I need to try to go over it a couple of more times to see if that'll work. Then I'm thinking about taking the gold flakes and just try to go in there to cover those edges, but I'm not for sure. I may have to put some more paint on here and just go with something else, but I'll try to get that in a later video for you guys. Today, we're just going to be doing a very small canvas to just test out these colors that I want to do. So let's give it a go. I'm hoping that I have enough paint to cover the base, because I'm not for sure if I have any of this color left. So this is just a Craft Smart Red Satin, and I'm going to use this for the base. I have a yellow, Craft Smart Yellow, and I have orange. I'm not sure. I believe that's Craft Smart. And then I'm going to be using black as my cell activator. Now, I did have a sample in which I was telling you it was some little projects that I was doing. So let me show you one of the samples. So this is one of the samples. And I thought that that came out kind of unique. I thought that that was a good design. And then this is the other one. So they're different, but I just thought that the color combination came out pretty unique. So I said, let me do it on a bigger surface to see what it comes out like. I believe that I used the red, the orange, then the yellow. I'm not for sure, but I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the red, orange, yellow, and this black cell activator. It's just practice anyway to see what the color is going to come out like. So, if it's not exactly, that's fine. I just want to see what it's going to look like. Let me see if I can spread this out. Sorry for the noise. Seems like that red is a little thick. It may need some water added to it. I haven't used these paints in a while, so they have been sitting up, and so most likely that's why. so I'm just going to try to spread it with one of the sticks. Okay. So I'm just going to put it in the middle there. And I'm going to do, well, if I want it to turn out right, I better put some here. So it will at least spread. Okay. I said orange. I don't know where my torch is. Orange. Yellow. Then for our cell activator, okay, let's give it a torch. All right, let's give it a go. Okay, that didn't spread as much as I wanted it to, and the orange is like stuck up under there. It's hiding. I'm trying to blow a little bit. It's not really moving anymore. I think I want to start back over with the process. Let's just put a little bit more paint because we have all of this black in the middle here. And I really don't want to, I want to break up some of that cell activator. Another thing I can try is just doing it over with the other blow dryer. It's much more powerful than the purple one I was using. So let me just give that a try and see what happens. And I'm going to do the reverse. Instead of doing the orange and the yellow, I'm going to do the yellow then the orange and see what happens. So I don't have that one plugged up. I think I put too much cell activator. And let's just do it again. I'm dropping everything. So a much different outcome than before. But I definitely like that one better. So as you can see, now you can see the colors. And that's what I wanted. I wanted to be able to see all of the colors. So I really like that. That's why I like that blow dryer better, because it's more powerful. Even though, you know, you have to pick and choose which one to use depending on what project you're using. But I really like that. So that's much better than the first one. So let me bring you down so that you can see. Here we go. So now you can see. I like that better than the first one. So it brought out all of those cells, you know, at that higher, you know, blowing, more cells started to form. So I really like that. And I do want to try it on a coaster and maybe on a bigger canvas. So I just wanted to see what the outcome would be. So I'm not for sure if the orange goes before the yellow, but definitely much higher with the blowing because I like the way the cells come out. So you can just tell me what you think if you like this. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please go back and watch some of the previous videos. And you can also tell everyone else about the channel, your family, friends. It would also help me out. I appreciate all of the support. Until the next time, you guys.